What are they eating?
They're eating a brand new, fresh killed cockroach.
Cockroach?
Oh, he caught
Like a
it.
water bug.
Stanley, you haven't seen your little friend Butters, have you? Why? Our darling Butters never came home last night.
Oh my god.
Swallow that whole, huh?
Damn, nigga, save some for the rest.
Somebody kidnap Butters, sodomize him over and over again, and then fed his genitals to wild animals.
Dang, fucking hell. At least there's a little piece of leg. Maybe somebody will eat that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh, forget it, he ate that too.
Yesterday, at approximately 1800 hours.
Damn, look how much skin he's shedding.
That's his skin?
Yeah. You can tell what part is the roach. It's white.
How?
The imaginary attack appears to have been in the works for years.
Hey, there's like, what is that inside the filter?
Unimaginable.
That green thing?